Lancashire. It's a green expanse of rolling hills and winding rivers. It's a maze of street corners and buildings growing old. It's a jigsaw of mill towns and fields. The forgotten industry, once booming with people making, weaving. Smoke and steam rising from the rooftops. It's home. Where our story began, like many others before us, and many more to come. We're proud to be Lancastrians, to be making things right here, to be doing the things that this county made its name for. This is nostalgia, and it's muscle memory from fellow Lancastrians who never stopped doing the work. We're walking the old roads, same ones our grandparents walked. Welcome to Lancashire, the place we call home, and where the marathon Des Pasty began.